Kit 2 of the Christmas Wonder Digital Kit series. This is coordinating pages, and there are 29 pages in total, all in reds, greens, and golds. Super pretty red and green print there. And another one, really like this one. And I think that's one of my favorites. Some red and green ticking. And some red and green pinstripes. And the same but with snowflakes. Red and gold. Red snowflakes. And then the faded out version for backing stuff and for journaling pages. Super pretty. Love how those turned out. And we have our polka dots and our solid red and our red ticking. This beautiful pattern. Really like this one a lot as well. And this is my second favorite. And most of these patterns are repeated in green and then repeated in gold as well, including this one here. So beautiful. Moving into our greens. Here's our snowflakes on the green background. As you can see, all the colors coordinate with each other beautifully. Our green polka dots. Our solid green. Oops. Pages are thick, hard to grab sometimes. Green ticking. And there's our beautiful print again. So pretty. And now we move into some golds. We have some script and some snowflake. And here it is repeated, but without the script, so it's non-directional. And this beautiful page. The golds are slightly different than the reds and the greens. We have this beautiful page here. Super pretty. And gold ticking. Gold polka dots. And just another beautiful backing page. And the tea stain that the whole kit is in, and then just that really pretty pattern that we really like on there as well. So that is kit number 2 of the Christmas Wonder Digital Kit series. Don't forget to subscribe to the studio's design team for lots of inspiration using the studio's digitals. You can find all of their links in the description box below, as well as the links to the flip throughs for all 5 digital kits to this series, and also the links to them in the Etsy shop. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.